I'm listening.
So I had to jerk off the Simpsons Hit and Run. Shit was rough.
Dang.
Oh. Okay, that sounded like me for real. For real, for real. It did, didn't it? It did. I heard me. I heard me. Oh. Oh my god! What? It sounds like me. I don't like that. Oh. This was 2 years ago? When I won Gamer... What was it? What did I win? Gamer of the Year? Creator of the Year? What did I win? I love that Jack announced it.
And the Game Award goes to... Valkyrae. Congratulations.
Oh, a content creator. So much to... Dude! I was so confident I wasn't gonna win, I didn't even do my hair. Look at this crap. And so what they did is they had all of the nominees film a thank you video, an acceptance video in case you won. And I was like, there's no way I'm winning, so I literally just filmed this crap and they broadcasted it everywhere.
To the Game Awards for nominating me, and to all of my friends and family and fans and my loving community.
I wish I could redo this! Oh my god!
So supportive of me the past 7 or so years of streaming, and now to thank you so much for the support. I'm very flattered and honored to accept this award. Yeah.
Adobe salutes the nominees for Content Creator of the Year at the Game Awards, and all gaming creators around the world. Tonight, celebrate your creativity by downloading a free trial of Adobe Creative Cloud at tgaxadobe.com and get creative.
Joining me right now is the
That was
Chief
2
Creative
years
Officer of Epic Games, Donald Mustard. Donald, it is great.
That was 2 years ago? Wait, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy.